Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Na 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 na. Me rise up before the break of day, hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper, plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Me feel the sun kiss me brow. Jah timing always know. Roots of tomorrow start from small, grow strong and bless them all. Me plant for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash the stain. Me chant for the heart them blind, open up them mind. Me no trust Babylon gold, me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, son live in peace. Me hands dirty with style of life, still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer, Jah dey everywhere. Me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on me staff, courage me guide. Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain, try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still, Jah have the will. Me give me all for the children rise. Me see the truth in all them eyes. Them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine. No greed, no war, me teach. Only love in reach. Me see the roots connect, me show respect. Roots of tomorrow grow from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong, right from wrong. No system can divide. Jah live inside. Oh, me remember my grandmother words, still echo, still heard. She said, my son, never forget we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak. The roots twist and bind, the whole mankind. Me see the world still fight, me shine me light. Me build with faith and hand, Jah bless me land. Me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake, Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air, make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck, we build it up. Me look to the sky and smile, walk my mile. Me no worry about the Babylon fall. Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time fi come. Me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again fi heal the pain. And roots of tomorrow grow from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong, right from wrong. No system can divide. Jah live inside. So when me gone, the song remain, flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine. Oh, it all divine. All divine. Na 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 na. Rasta is so high, man. Me wake before the the cock crow, hear the river flow. Jah morning light a bless the earth, rebirth. Me breathe in peace again, wash away the pain. Morning of Zion rise, beauty fill the skies. Me step out on the grass, dew, everything new. Me feel Jah presence strong. Where me belong, me stretch me hand to the east. Give thanks for feast, me no worry about tomorrow. No sorrow, me hear the drum beat start. Heal me heart, me sing me praise for the dawn. Old pain gone, the light touch my face. Sacred place, Jah whisper my name slow. Blessings flow, me walk through the village lane. Hear them call my name, Rasta, sing for we again. Me lift my pen, me write the song for peace. Till war cease, me chant the words for all. Big and small, me feel the mountain better days fi come, children play in a street. Joy complete, me see the mothers pray. Hope today, morning of Zion glow, love overflow.
Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up, sing your song.
Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall.
Let the love unfold.
Hearts of gold. Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up,
sing your song. Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call.
me see the elder by the gate, talk about faith. Him say son, the struggle long, but keep strong. Me nod and smile, me know truth grow. Every dawn I give, spirit lift. Me walk on the hill so high, touch the sky, my bridge higher pure. Me secure, no darkness still. Light find way, morning glowing on my chest. Jah manifest, me sing till the day complete. Love repeat, me see the market full again. No pain, me bless the people me meet. Smile sweet, Zion morning wide and free. Harmony, me no fear the night return. Me learn every dawn a sign, all divine.
Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up, sing your song.
Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall.
Let the love unfold.
Hearts of gold. Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up,
Sing your song. Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call.
so when the sun go down low, me still glow. Morning of Zion remain, true joy and pain. True joy and pain. Oh, 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 oh. Me feel the heat rise from me skin. Fire burn deep within. Me no born for hate or fame. Me born for Janin. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah dey near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring them build wall for divide, but Jah dey inside. Me burn illusion, burn the skies, open eyes. Me burn corruption, greed and lie under Jah sky. Fire purify me heart, set me apart. The heat me feel no pain, wash me chain. Me look round so suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the coal, me story told. The youth are like the flame again, free from chains. I on fire guide them home, never alone. Me burn for justice true, me burn for you. The world can't sleep in a dark. Me ignite the spark, no power stronger than Jah will. Be still, this flame never fade. Righteous made, yeah. Fire in a Zion blaze, like the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion high, reach the sky, burn away the strong. Yeah. You remember the stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So my guard my flame like crown, never put down it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark, still my mark. Every rhythm I chant ignite, guided light, my flame no weapon of war. It heals scar, burn away the head. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Met my pledge, my fire for truth, not fear. Johnny, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Just heal, me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Johnny, yeah, yeah. Fire in a Zion blaze, like the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, I love explore. Fire in a Zion high, reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep us strong. Yeah, so when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright. Guide will I, yeah. Ay, ganja is just medicine. First light break across the land, crown of dawn in your hand. Every color born anew, crown of mercy shine for you. Darkness fade, the shadows run, crown of dawn embrace the sun. Every glow a sacred flame, crown uplift the holy name. Elder rise and start to pray, crown of dawn reveal the way. Every heart begin to wake, crown of love no man can fake. Babylon dream now fade away, crown of hope restore the day. Everlasting, bold and pure, crown of truth will still endure. Farmer lift his face to sky, crown of dawn reflect his eye. Every seed a promise made, crown of mercy never fade. Rain descend and light unfold, crown of peace worth more than gold. Every morning bring a new, crown of Zion shine for you. Poet write upon the wind, crown of dawn erase the sin. Every word a gentle song, crown of truth keep growing strong. Even darkness cannot hide, crown of justice still abide. Every hue and every ray, crown of dawn define the day. Workers sing upon the field, crown of dawn is only shield. Every labor bless the hand, crown of peace across the land. No oppression, no deceit, crown of love make life complete. Ever pure and ever new, crown of Zion shine for you. Night return but light remain, crown of dawn remove the pain. Every soul begin to rise, crown of truth fill the skies. Generation lift them song. Crown of mercy, keep them strong. Everlasting, pure and free. Crown of dawn, eternity. When the world in silence rests, crown of dawn still shine the best. Never fading, never gone. Crown of peace, keep marching on. Sacred glory, bold and high. Crown of Zion, fill the sky. Eternal flame, forever true. Crown of dawn, shine for you. Rise, rise, morning bright. Crown of dawn, replace the night. Shine, shine, golden hue. Crown of mercy, carry true. Crown of dawn, holy light. Guide the world through darkest night. Never fading, never fall. Crown of peace, embrace us all, forever shining. Bold and pure. Crown of truth will still endure. Sacred glory, bright and new. Crown of Zion, shine for you. Na 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 na. Raga, oh yeah, oh yeah. Underwater, deep and wide. Riverstones in silence hide. Every stone a memory old. Song of ages still retold. Current hum a melody. River chant eternity. Every ripple soft and clear. Stone of wisdom echo near. Traveler rest beside the stream. Riverstone reflect his dream. Every glimmer catch the light. Song of mercy pure and bright. Babylon nights begin to fade. Riverstone by Jah was made. Every pebble along. River sing the freedom song. La 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 la. Stone so small, hear the whisper, hear the call. Every sound a sacred key, unlock truth eternally. Stormy rage and waters rise, stone remain beneath the skies. Everlasting, bold and true, Riverstone still shine for you. Farmer wash the soil away. Riverstone reveal the day. Every color born of flame. Riverstone declare your name. No corruption stain its hue. Riverstone forever new. Every piece a prayer of light. Song of Zion burns so bright. Riverstone reflect the sight. Every word a crystal sound. River wisdom all around. No illusion, no disguise. Riverstone open the eyes. Every tone a holy vow. River chant the spirit now. Even night cannot conceal. Riverstone forever real. Generations pass along. River keep the ancient song. From creation till today. Riverstone still show the way. Ever pure and ever strong. River the endless song. When the tide at last subside. Riverstone still standing pride. truth will still endure. Bound by time yet always free. Riverstone eternity, sacred gem of love divine. River chant till end of time. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Riverstone reflect the dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright river on the holy light. Song of the Riverstones, low and sweet. Sing of the truth beneath our feet. Never fading, never gone. River chant from dusk till dawn. For a glowing, bold and free. Riverstone, old destiny. Sacred chorus, strong and true. River sing for me and you.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Nation, yeah, man. Hey, me step on lion path again. No fear, no chill. Every breath I him, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Me climb mountain, me cross sea, Jah walk with me. Me face trial, me face storm, but my spirit warm. My heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue, can't swear. Me trudge away, me see the snake whisper lies. Still me fly, me see them plot in a dark. Me spark, me wear truth like crown. Never bow down, each step me take bold. Me soul gold, the lion roar. Inside me soul keep control. Me no crawl pan belly for man. Me follow Jah plan, me move with humble pride. Spirit guide, no fear of the night. Me walk with light, me learn for watch and wait. Me no tempt fate. The lion path rough still but strong will. Me stand when others fall, Jah call. Me carry me truth alone like stone. Here on the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. True valley deep and sky, so I Jah by my side. On lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. Jah by my side. Jah by my side. Jah by my side. Yeah. Me rest by the ancient tree. Hear the prophecy. My spirit connect with ground, holy sound. The breeze carry my pain away. Me break. Each scar tell story true. What me been through. Me rise each time I fall. Jah call. The lion inside no sleep is promise keep. Me guard my mind from sin. Strength within. Every roar of praise. Jah ways. Me stand on the cliff edge, I touch the sky. Me roar with truth and might, Jah light. Me see the wicked tremble low, them can't grow. Me roar for peace, me roar for love, from above. Me no fear the dark or pain, Rasta reign. Me no turn back for none, me done way up on the lion path me go. Where the strong roots grow, true valley deep and sky. So why Jah by my side, for lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. So when me read Zion Gate, me celebrate. On the lion path me find peace of mind.
Rainbow covenant just see 7 colors
Yeah, yeah, Zion, inna the puff, yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This are the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner hold a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under just sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may.
Aye, aye, aye. Give Rasta this record, yeah, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree roots so deep. Shed the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree bring sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree, all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree, for one and all. It stand through Jah name, eternal branches, strong and tall. Zion tree, protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade, Zion tree, Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree, Jah truly blessed, forever growing, never cease. Zion tree, bring Jah peace from mountain high to valley low. Zion tree, forever grow, no Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree, wear holy crown, it grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree, reach to the sky, forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree, eternity, holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree, for me and you. Trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain, forever standing, never gone. Zion tree, forever strong, it called the nations, called them near. Zion tree, forever here, holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree, eternity, grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree, forever guide, no chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree, forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep, shade the humble, shade the sheep, fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree, bring sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree, forever light.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Kaya smoke with Zion. Ragaya man. In the garden, tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion high, roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around, every leaf a story tell, sacred tree remember well, Babylon fire can't consume, sacred tree forever bloom, children play beneath the shade, sacred tree where peace is made, elders sit and chant a song, sacred tree keep people strong, not in palace, not in throne, sacred tree forever known, every fruit a gift from Jah, sacred tree uphold the law, birds a sing upon the limb, sacred tree a righteous hymn, river flow beside the root, sacred tree bear holy fruit, generations come and go, sacred tree still grow and grow, never bending, never gone, sacred tree keep carrying on,
timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophet stole. Every shade a place of rest. Sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can destroy. Sacred tree bring joy. Children climb and mothers pray. Sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow. Sacred tree forever now. From creation till today. Sacred tree guide every way. Everlasting, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Grow, grow, sacred root. Bearing fruit of holy truth. Rise, rise, branches high. Sacred tree reach the sky. Sacred tree of Zion land. Planted by the holy hand. Fruit of life, shade of peace. Sacred tree where war shall cease. Forever standing, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Zion Reggae, yeah man.
Blowing free from mountain crest. Carry your word to east and west. Cool the brow, refresh the soul. Guide the weary to your goal. Every breeze a holy sign. Carry blessing pure divine. Wind of Zion never tire. Fan the flame of RASTA fire. Wind of Zion swift and strong. Carry the truth where it belongs. Lift the prayer to heaven's door. Spread your love forevermore. It passed through street, it passed through field. Tell the story that can't be sealed. It whisper hope to troubled heart. Show the path where peace can start. It scatter seed in fertile ground. So life and joy will soon abound. Babylon wall can't block its way. Wind of Jah will always stay. It cool the fire in times of heat. It lift the tired, guide the feet. From morning light till evening rest. Wind of Zion do your best. It call the youth to rise and sing about the joy your love will bring. Every gust a righteous call. Blow away the pride and fall. Me hear it dance through forest green. Me feel it sweep where peace unseen. It touch the river, stir the sea. Tell the world we soon be free. It move the cloud, reveal the light. Keep we walking in just sight. No man can chain, no man can bind. Wind of sing through bright blue skies, from first breath till the last. Wind of Zion will hold fast, blow high, blow far, carry the word of who we are, from root to leaf, from shore to plain. Wind of Jah forever reign. No gate, no chain can hold it back. Wind of Zion, stay on track. Wind of Zion, swift and strong, carry the truth where it belongs. Lift the prayer to heaven's door, spread your love forevermore. From dawn to dusk, from earth to sky, wind of Jah will never die.
Aye, aye, aye. Meditate with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man. Deep blue water, endless tide. Ocean of Zion, open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn, flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon tried to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame, ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea, ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play, ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war, ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song, ocean flow forever long. Oh, 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 oh. Storm may rise and ships may fall, ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave, ocean strong, Jah people save. Rivers run from mountain high, ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain, ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore, ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner lift the hand, ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and wide, ocean of Zion rising tide. Oh, 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 oh. Songs of whales beneath the deep, ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small, ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see, ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone, ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow mighty tide, carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land, ocean move by Jah hand. Oh, 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 oh. Ocean of Zion wide and strong, carry the people all along. From the river to the sea, ocean chant eternity, forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity. Zion reggae. Through the valley, long and wide, path of ancient still we guide. If every stone and every mark light the way from light to dark. Elder footstep left behind, path of wisdom clear the mind. If every mile a sacred tune, walk beneath the ancient moon. Cover shape the totem high, path of spirit touch the sky. If every tree remember name, path of life remain the same. Babylon road built on sand, path of ancients bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true, path of mercy led we through. Healer walk with staff in hand, path of ancients heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay, path of peace still find the way. Every footstep pure and free, path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail, path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every sound, keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption bend the line, path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past, path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down, path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain, path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea, path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near, path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn, path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow, path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon does make loud the view, path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free, path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise, path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall, path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true, path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free, path of Jah eternity. Walk, walk, side by side, path of truth. Remove the pride. Rise, rise, strong and free. Path of Zion, victory. Path of ancients, wide and pure. Guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small. Path of mercy call us all. Forever shining, bold and new. Path of life in me and you. Sacred road so strong and free, path of Zion destiny.
Kingston cushion on me long brother. Na na na. Na 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 na. Kingston cushion on me long brother. Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of Jah unite them all. Not
nation shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east unto the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echoing. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Nighttime fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by your hand. Generation after time, drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift, my soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drum remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating, true and free. Drums of Zion unity. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Zion Reggae is back, yeah, man. Oh, boom, bum, bum, boom, bum, bum, boom, bum. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae is back, yeah, man. See the wall so high and proud. Babylon speak its words so loud. But in the distance light appear. Flame of truth draw ever near. Stone and steel begin to shake. Flame of freedom start to wake. Every spark a righteous plan. Flame remind the soul of man. Market cry and
sinner, feel the glow. Flame of love begin to show. Politicians start to hide. Flame expose the crooked side. Every liar, every scheme, burn away like shadow dream. Work arise before the day. Flame of hope light up the way. Every sweat and every tear. Flame of courage draw them near. No oppression hold them long. Flame ignite the righteous song. Every hand unite as one. Flame of freedom overcome. Poet city skyline red. Flame of change inside his head. Every verse a fire call. Flame of vision burn them all. No illusion, no disguise. Flame of truth reveal the lies. Everlasting, bold and pure. Flame of justice will endure. Babylon tremble, night grow thin. Flame of life rise deep within. Every heart a burning coal. Flame of love restore the soul. Generation lift them hand. Flame of truth consume the land. Ever rising fierce and free. Flame of Zion victory. Bum bum bum, bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum, bum 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 bum. Morning come, the smoke is gone. Flame of mercy still live on. Every ruin bloom again. Flame of peace remove the pain. No more king, no empty throne. Flame of love make earth its home. Everlasting, strong and free. Flame of Zion destiny. Burn, burn Babylon down. Flame of justice wear the crown. Shine, shine bold and true. Flame of mercy shine for you. Flame over Babylon, rise and burn. Teach the wicked what them must learn. Never fading, never small. Flame of truth consume it all. Forever shining, fierce and bright. Flame of Zion guide the night. Sacred fire, bold and free. Flame of love, eternity. Bum bum bum, bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum, bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum, bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum, bum 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 bum.
of Nyabinghi, pure and deep. Wake the heart from Babylon's sleep. Call the tribe to stand as one. Beat until the work is done. It echo far through night and day. Tell the children find your way. It shake the ground, it lift the soul. Bring the spirit back to whole. From roots to crown, from shore to plain. Drum of Zion, break the chain. No ruler's law can hush the beat. Nyabinghi, keep we feet. Yeah. Yeah. He joined the elder and the youth. Make them march in Jaja truth. He tell the world of ancient time, of holy mountain righteous climb. Every tap a sacred word, every roll a message heard. No lie can stand, no hate can stay. When Nyabinghi